Welcome. In this workshop, we'll explore the fascinating journey of hand knitting, from its humble beginnings to its exciting future. Hand knitting, an ancient craft, has evolved significantly. Let's delve into its transformation. Hand knitting's roots are deep, stretching back centuries. Initially, it was a practical skill for creating essential garments. Archaeological evidence suggests early forms of knitting existed as far back as the 3rd century AD. These early techniques involved simple needles and yarns, often crafted from natural fibers. Throughout history, knitting has been a communal activity, passed down through generations. It was a means of survival, providing warmth and clothing. Then came the Industrial Revolution. This period brought significant changes. Machine knitting emerged, mass-producing garments. Hand knitting, however, didn't vanish. It transformed, becoming a craft of artistry and self-expression. It provided a creative outlet, allowing individuals to produce unique, personalized items. The value shifted from mere necessity to one of quality and artistry. In my workshop, I blend traditional techniques with modern innovation. I use a variety of yarns, from classic wools to advanced synthetic fibers. My tools range from traditional wooden needles to ergonomic designs. I've found that the combination of these tools gives the knitter the most options. Now, let's talk about the yarns. The selection of yarn is critical. The fiber content, weight, and texture impact the final product. I often use merino wool for its softness and drape. Linen is great for its breathability. I also experiment with innovative yarns, such as those blended with silk or even recycled materials. The choice depends on the project. Moving on to the future. Hand knitting is experiencing a resurgence. The digital age offers new opportunities. Online communities, video tutorials, and social media platforms have revitalized the craft. People of all ages are drawn to the meditative, therapeutic aspects. There is a strong sense of community. The rise of DIY culture and the desire for sustainable, handmade goods fuel this trend. There is a lot of information available on the internet to learn more about the craft. In my workshop, I am also experimenting with integrating technology. I'm exploring the use of smart needles and augmented reality applications. These innovations offer new possibilities. They allow knitters to track their progress, access patterns, and even collaborate in real time. My aim is to blend the old with the new. I want to keep the spirit of hand knitting alive while embracing innovation. Hand knitting continues to evolve. It is a craft that blends tradition, creativity, and technology. It's an art form that offers endless possibilities. It is also a way to create something tangible. In my workshop, I'm excited to be part of this continuing story. Thank you for joining me on this journey.